These are the feet of George Goodwin, and for 40 years they've done a job no machine can do. Stamp out the bubbles of air from a special clay mixture, but not for pottery. Here, in a small Attercliffe, Sheffield factory, George makes the crucibles which in turn produce the world's most valuable steel, handmade steel. In this workshop, the first crucible was kneaded and shaped in this manner 200 years ago. George is one of Britain's last 10 remaining hand potmen. From a mixture of clays, coke dust and secret ingredients, he models the pots in which a world-famous make of steel is melted. The finished crucibles, roughly shaped first, then balled and finally molded, weigh 40 pounds. Their design, like their manufacture, has remained unchanged since their first use in George II's reign. George's pots have to withstand a heat of 1600 degrees centigrade. Before they're ready to receive the molten steel, they must dry out naturally for 14 days. And now let's leave him, still shoeless and sockless, and pass through to the forge where the molten steel has emerged from the furnace. Here in solution is the steel that makes the dies from which are stamped nearly every British coin, almost every nail and screw used throughout the empire, rivets for the Queen Mary. The world's toughest steel, handmade. That began with a man in bare feet.